Hey there. So, imagine you're running some pretty hefty game models and you run into a bit of a problem. The issue is that you don't want the computations to be parallelized, or at least you want to control the extent of parallelization. Not only do you want to save your machine from overheating with full CPU utilization, but you also suspect that too much parallelization might be harming performance. Despite using the default settings for DM.control, it seems like the computations are using up most, if not all, of the cores on your machine, causing high CPU usage. Now, let's talk about the solution. It seems that setting export OpenBLAS _in teach_reds equals whatever in a bash shell does the trick. Just remember to do this before starting your session as sys.satenv OpenBLAS _in teach_reds equals whatever. Doesn't seem to have the same effect. Oh, and there's another option pointed out by Henrik in the comments using RHP-CDO. BLAS _set_number_threads, whatever, also works like a charm. In summary, if you're facing the problem of unwanted automatic parallelization in your DM models, there's a simple solution at hand. By setting export OpenBLAS _in teach_reds equals whatever in a bash shell before starting your session, or using RHP-CDO. BLAS _set_number_threads, whatever. You could take control of the degree of parallelization and prevent your machine from going into overdrive. And with that, I bid you adieu. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.